in about 3 minutes, we've got the box off. Obviously just a flathead screwdriver on that, a flathead for this one to push it off, and then do that with your fingers like this. Basically take and push that down and it releases it, or up, sorry, and it'll release it and you can slide it out. But the box literally slid right off of this.
That is what it is, because it looks good on both fronts.
Yeah, it's in there. These guys that don't YouTube, they don't know to not stand right in front of the camera. It won't come all the way out. And then you scissor that thing on there, but you have to hold it from the inside. Okay, push it out. E-man hands. Like glad now, dude, fix that up.
Dude, I think yours is as good as mine.
Well, fuck, as long as they're close.
Yeah.
So they should have just stamped in a thing where like it says top or something maybe across.
Yeah,
because it'll actually go up like that.
It's these.
I literally turn the camera on and he starts messing it up. Dude, it ain't gotta be that tight. Like,
okay.
Like it ain't gonna hurt it. And look how nice that looks, dude.
Sweet. Nice. Is she ready to hum?
Yeah. All right, first start. Let's see if it blows up. All right. Yeah, do that. Come here. Come on, over here. All right, man. See you, dude. All right, man. See ya. Come here, Gregor. Get in. Hey, come on. Come on. Gregor, come here. Yeah, dude, that was way easy. Now we jump in for one of the last 2 nights of the 12 pods of Christmas. Here we go.